Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios your price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute time frame, before getting into the count itself, I just wanted to mention that on higher time frame counts, or if you want to be seeing the higher time frame counts, check out the weekend's video on Bitcoin where I went through them. So that's why I don't need to be going through them on all of the videos. So the main idea here for more local structure is that we have either completed this as a 5-way structure, which is not my main. It's definitely not my main and I don't really like it just due to the extensions that we are having here. Generally, when I would be getting more bullish was if we did hit the 1.618 here in comparison for this wave structure to the next one up. But we did not, and these are hitting the more bearish targets, so that's why I'm still staying bearish. Very simple. Now, the main idea that I have here for the current structure starting from the 13th of October lows is that we had an A, B and C into W wave here and A, B, C coming down. Again, yesterday we were around here and we were pondering what kind of structure we had here or some kind of a diagonal. And to me, I feel like we have to be labeling this as a impulse wave at the moment. So if we are looking this a bit more closely, zooming in on it. And again, here we had the ABC, also, sorry, the B wave of micro. And in here, I think we have a 1, 2, potential 3, 4, 5 into larger wave 1. Again, is it possible that we have some kind of 1, 2, 1, 2 scenario here? It is possible. However, again, we have taken out the highs here with this current wave 2. So I don't think it is that likely. I do see that this more likely to be a wave 1, 2 in that sense, and then have another 1, 2 here. Again, if we have this as a 1, 2, there is a possibility where this structure here would be the third and fourth, sorry, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, or this structure here is part of this structure here as well, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, something like this. I feel like that fits a bit better. However, it is making this whole count a bit more bearish. So at the moment, we have already hit the 1.618 extension. We have had the lowest low here on RSI as well. So that is making me think that this is definitely more bearish and in this impulse wave. So at the moment, what we could be looking for is either this wave 4 here is complete and we would be looking to correct downwards. Or sorry, not correct downwards, but some kind of impulse wave structure coming downwards, or a multi-wave structure coming downwards in some kind of diagonal way, and then looking for small retracement and continuation to the downside. At the moment, however, we have already retraced or extended this to around the 2 to 1 extension of this wave A here, and are right around the 0.5 retracement of this larger wave W here as well. So I'm not quite sure how far we've got left. We have already, where do I have it here? We are already around the targets that we had previously. We had a daily naked point of control and a weekly there as well, around 19.3k. We did not hit any of these, so it is still possible that these were just front run and we are just doing some kind of bounce and getting back in here, getting a small bounce, getting back here and getting to the other targets here as well. For the other targets around 19.1k, we have the 2.236 extension of this ABC here, the retracement of golden pocket of this wave W, and also the naked point of control and the daily there as well. So it definitely has some kind of merit to it. It definitely has a lot of things going for it. Also, what it has is this area of previous resistance. So sorry, previous, well, I guess it could be a resistance against this high, but most likely a support here. So we could be taking some kind of liquidity that we have resting below here and then moving up higher. So if there is still orders here, this could be a very fast wick and could be done there. But again, these are the areas that I'm definitely watching. Not quite sure how the count is going here. So I'm thinking that we are within some thirds and fourths here and getting possibly 1 or 2 more lows. I feel like at least 1 more low is what I'm looking at here. But I think that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on Bitcoin for today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate likes, link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.